Hello everyone, welcome to Coding with Harshil. This is Harshil Chudasma, and today in this video we will see the border property in the CSS. Okay, so let's get started. Here you can see in the .html file we have given the title. I have written the style tag inside the body part. I have written the Coding with Harshil with the h1 tag, and you can see we got the proper output here also. So now I will write here h1 tag, means I'm selecting here h1 tag, and the first property of the border is the border style. Okay, means which border style we want. So there are lots of border styles like solid, groove, ridge, double, none, then we have inset, outset. Okay, all these things are there, and we will see all these border styles separately. Okay, so first of all I will write here border style like this one, and if I am writing here solid, you can see solid is there. Save it and refresh, then you can see solid border style we got here, you can see. And let I do the zoom so that you can see properly. You can see this size. The border width is default, which is the 1 pixel here. Okay, here we have not specified the border width, that's why it is 1 pixel, which is the default. Okay, so this is the solid. I hope you have clear idea. Now the next one is the double. Okay, save it and refresh, and you can see double is there, and the size will be 1 pixel. You can see, I hope you have clear idea about this double. And then we will move forward to the dashed. Save it and refresh. So dashed will be there, border. Okay, then we have the dotted. Okay, save it, refresh, then you can see dotted is there, border. Then we have the none, means let's say we don't want to specify the border, then none will be there like this one. And then we have the groove, groove. So groove will be look like this. Okay, and then we have the ridge. Save it and refresh. Ridge will be looking like this one. Okay, and last one is the inset and outset. Okay, so inset will be like this one, and last one is the outset, and you can see outset will be looking like this one. Okay, so these all are the border styles, and I hope you have clear idea about all these things. I'm taking here solid. Okay, save it, refresh, then you can see we got the solid. Now we will move forward to the next one, which is the border width. Okay, here we can see that the 1 pixel is default. Okay, now I want some more size of this. I want to say that I want more width for this border. Okay, so I can write here border width. Okay, so I can specify here, let's say 5 pixels. Save it and refresh, then you can see 5 pixel border is there. Okay, so this is how we can specify the border width. And let I set it here 3 pixels. 3 pixels will be looking like this one. Okay, good. Now the last property for this video is the border color. Okay, means which color we want. In the HTML tutorial we have seen that there is a border in the table. Okay, in the while making the table we are using the border, right? So in that border we are specifying the width like 3 pixel, 5 pixel, 10 pixel. Okay, and the type, means I want to say that the border style was the solid, which is the default in the HTML, in the border attribute. Okay, and we can't specify the color there, but here using the CSS we have many more styles. We can specify the width also, and we can also specify the or color. Okay, so I'm writing hashtag CF55D1DA. Okay, anything you can write here, and got something border color like this. Okay, so this is all about this video, and today for this video we have covered these three border property, which is the border style, border width, border color. Okay, so that's all about this video. I hope you have clear idea about all these things. But still guys, if you have any query, any doubt in this video, then you can ask me in the comment. And guys, do subscribe my channel if you have doesn't, and like this video and share it with your friends. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next time.